Today we're making cookies. Today we're making cookies, sugar cookies, but not ordinary sugar cookies. They have peanut butter in it. We have this on thing. Yeah, well, most of them are gone because they're in our stomach. But we're gonna put them on top of the cookie.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bake ingredients.
No. And our ingredients that we are going to use today are
ingredients.
vanilla extract,
Vanilla
extract,
baking soda,
butter,
baking powder,
all-purpose flour,
salt,
milk,
brown sugar,
peanut butter,
1 egg,
and a bunch of little eggs.
Yeah, a bunch of mini
Hershey eggs.
and sugar.
Alright,
Let's go.
Let's
go.
started.
We're using a mixer for this. Apparently we have a hand mixer, so we're gonna use the hand mixer. Look at the wall. We don't know how to work a hand mixer yet, but I think it was cool. You just gotta press a button, and then you just press a little button, and it goes boom, boom, boom. You press another little button, it goes boom, 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 boom. Our hand mixer is set. Time to make a cookie. If you want us to make any specific recipes or challenges that you want us to try and make, comment them down below so we can try and complete those challenges in our not previous videos, in our next videos. Subscribe to our channel
And like.
Yes, like this video. Do everything.
Tell people to subscribe.
Time to make the cookies. Cookies.
Let's get started.
We need flour, baking soda, and salt.
Take one. Who larded?
What?
Why nobody share with me?
Alright, y'all. We need.
All right, y'all.
Ow.
We need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and we put it in a bowl.
One cup.
How's your quarantine going? By the way, we are not sponsoring Purdue. We just need another apron. So ignore this.
Alright, just tape over it.
We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ooh, 1 teaspoon. Look at that. Bye-bye. Half a teaspoon of salt. Then if you would like the merch, just comment down below. We're not selling. We're sold out. This is one of a kind. Debob, stop barking.
Now we whisk. Now we set this aside and get a different bowl.
1 stick of softened butter in the bowl, and then half a cup of peanut butter. Yeah.
Now we put the softened butter in the bowl. Kind of melted a little.
That's a little bit more than softened. Okay, now
That's only one. Imagine 5.
you mix it until it's smooth. I'm scared. Oh, turn it down. Turn it down. Now we add half a cup of brown sugar and then 1/4 cup of regular sugar. 1/4 cup of sugar. You put that in first. She's making a mess. Do you see this? Left. Sugar 2 and brown sugar. Now we mix.
I think it's good.
Is it light and fluffy? Now we add our 1 egg into it and then mix it up. Oh, sorry. Woo. Egg. Once it is this beautiful color. This light brown and fluffy. Beautiful. Now we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of milk and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ooh, that's nice. 1, 2. Now vanilla. Oh. 1. Now we mix it together. Now it should be really light and like fluffy.
Like that.
Perfect. Now we're gonna add in our flour mixture.
Slowly. This
Yeah.
part you have to be very careful mixing.
Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit at a time and then mix it and then we'll put some like that. So then we don't make it go everywhere. Oh god. Okay, more flour. A little bit less this time. It's like
I think it's good.
oh my gosh, we have all this with peanut butter. And look at the wall. Got it everywhere. Oh my gosh, you keep getting everything in your eye. We're gonna put flour, the
Sugar.
sugar. We're gonna put sugar into a bowl. We have to take a pan and put parchment paper on it, and we're gonna roll the dough, the cookie dough, into little cookie dough balls, and then we have to roll it in this bowl of sugar, and then put it on the pan.
So you roll the ball into like a small size. Then you roll it around in the sugar. You preheat the oven to 375 degrees.
Time to clean up our whole mess because oh my gosh. We have 1 full tray of cookies and we're gonna put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Boom. This is our cookie. Just so you know, whenever they're baking, they're going to stay in a ball because once you put the eggs in them, it pushes them down. Once we put them out of the oven, we have to put the eggs in them on top while they're warm. And might only be able to fit like 2. Depending on the size of your cookie, will depend on how many eggs you put. This is what our cookies look like. You can make them bigger so that they don't break apart as much, but this is what they look like. And these are the Hershey eggs, and then we're going to put Reese's eggs and other ones. Time for a taste test.
It looks good. A little bit loose, but it's still warm. I try it?
Yeah.
What do you rate it?
I'm eating a nest. Is it robin eggs or is it blue jays bird? Good job.
Finally, we can try the cookies. They taste really good together. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And that was our sugar cookies with a twist. Bye.